Hello guys and welcome to Hakman Traders. In this video I am going to be showing you what is moving average and how to use this correctly while you're trading in the stock market or the forex market. Now moving average is an average that shows the average of a few days, like it helps you determine the direction of the trend, where the trend is heading, where it will be heading, and what type of a trend it is. So it helps you determine that. Now from where the moving average, how the moving average is calculated, now I will be showing this to you in later in this video, so stay tuned and have fun. Now moving average, this is moving average. This line is now how to plot a moving average. To plot a moving average, go to the indicators right here, click on this moving average, and you will have a moving average plotted on your chart. Now the moving average shows you the direction of the trend of where the overall trend is heading. Now the trend, it is said that the trend is your friend. So the moving average shows you exactly that moving average shows the direction of the trend of where it is heading. Now at this area it became bullish, an uptrend, now a side trend, and now also a bullish, an uptrend. So overall you guys see that in this graph, in this chart, you guys might know from here that it is moving in the a trend shows the direction of the trend of where the overall trend is heading. Now there is one thing that you might know, that whenever the trend, this was a downtrend, this was due to the impact of the COVID-19. Now from here, as you can see that this was at its lowest. Now it rose before the moving average turned into an uptrend. It before it turned into a moving average, the candlesticks became bullish. It traded upward and moved upward before the moving average turned like 1, 2, 3, and 4. Before the moving average, 4 days before turning into a bullish into an uptrend, the candlesticks showed bullishness in the trend. So so it is not necessary for the moving average to show an uptrend. It is just an indicator. It show maybe after a day or 2 or 3 that the trend is bullish. So you guys might have to be aware of that. Now this, as this became bullish, the market moved upward. It may act accordingly because it shows this. So because it is moving upward, so it might show you, give you signs of give you buy signals and sell signals. So where are those buy signals and sell signals? As you can see that from here the candlesticks rose, and at this level you can see that this is a buy signal. Whenever the line, okay, I will show it to you guys over here at this level. So now take a clear look at this at these candlesticks. The candlesticks rose, then fell to this level, so this also a great buy signal. So buy at this area and sell whenever it touches the candlesticks or crosses the candlesticks. Now if you want to sell a stock, no, if you want to buy a stock also, buy whenever the stock touches the candlestick and sell whenever it is above the, sorry, buy whenever the candlestick touches the moving average and sell whenever the candlestick is above the moving average. Now for sell signals, when to sell, when the candlesticks comes down, starts to fall down and touches the moving average, so that's when you will have to sell the stocks. Or in other case, this is a support level for this. So in some cases, when you have bought at this moving average which acts as a support level for the trend, so buy at that area and sell at the highest at this level. Okay, from here buy at this area and sell at this. So this also a great position to a great place to buy, a great entry and exit point, because the moving average acts as a support level for this candlesticks, and this acts as a resistance level, so you have sold your stock at this level. So that is about buying and selling. Overall, in it may vary in different trends. For a downtrend it may vary, for a side trend it also may vary, and for an uptrend it may vary, because buy signals and sell signals are different for at different trends. In this case it was different, but in this case it is also different. It is moving sharply up. Buy over here and sell at these levels. Buy at this level, sell here. Buy here and sell here. These were the um, so this is the method of buying and selling at different levels. Now, from where this moving average comes from? Well, I will show that to you in paints. It came like this. Let's say we have a 10-day moving average. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. Now this is the moving average for uh, of 10 days, and you will have to divide this number by, sorry about that, divide this number by the total by the time frame, by the total number of time frame. If let's say if you have taken a 10-day moving average, then you will have to divide it by 10. If you've taken it 12 days, then 12 days plus 11 plus 12 will come here. And if you have taken 20 days, then divided by 20 days. So that from here the 1-day moving average will appear. So this is the method of calculating the moving average. Now you guys might have understood from where the moving average came from. Now the drawbacks of the moving average. Well, the first drawback was that the moving average, the bullishness in a certain stock shows before the moving average shows bullishness. Now that's a major drawback. Now that is a major drawback in what is called in this type of in trading, because the moving average shows after and the candlestick shows before the bullishness. Well, if these two combine with each other, then that's a strong signal that this market is bullish. Now in this case it is a strong signal that it is a bullish trend, it's an uptrend. So this is a great signal. And also the other drawback is that, let's say you have sold your bought at this level, comes down quickly up again, because a trend is like this. because the stocks works like this, comes down up again. So you will have to wait for it to form support and resistance levels in these in any stock, because when it forms a support and resistance level, from there you will have to trade the stock, and in that place it shows from those support and resistance level, there will be shows that this is a side trend, and whenever it breaks that side trend from the at the upside or the downside, there it will shows an uptrend or downtrend. So you will have to wait for it to show you to give you signs that it will be either bullish or bearish. So you will have to wait for that to show you. Now in this case it formed a resistance level and a support level, so this will trade in these areas for a while, as and in that case the moving average also is trading in a side trend. So whenever you have bought at this level, do not sell, wait for it, because it is a resistance level. So wait for it to break this point in either in the upside or the downside. Use your support level as a risk margin. That should be your risk margin. It depends upon you how much you want to place, so keep that in mind as your risk margin. So these are some of the things that you will have to consider while trading in the. Now this is a great area of support and resistance level. When you have bought at this level, now this is the support level, so do not sell at the support level, wait for it. Also you can buy at the support level and sell at the resistance level. So it also shows a kind of what is called a side trend, and now it breaks at this level, so it became an uptrend. The same is the case with at this level. it shows a downtrend for some time.